Good day, everyone. I am Gabriel Sarmiento, and this is my informative speech. These are my audience. Please look at the camera. Thank you. The role of a critical care nurse. With great power comes great responsibility. This famous quote reminds us that those with special skills have a duty to help others. In the world of healthcare, critical care nurses, also known as ICU nurses, carry a huge responsibility. They take care of the sickest patients, work with life-saving machines, and make quick decisions in emergencies. Their job is both rewarding and challenging. Today, I will share what critical care nurses do and the advantages and disadvantages of this career. A critical care nurse is a registered nurse who takes care of patients with life-threatening conditions. They work in hospital areas like the intensive care unit, where patients need constant monitoring and urgent medical attention. These nurses are highly trained to handle emergencies, give strong medications, and operate advanced medical equipment like ventilators and heart monitors. Their quick thinking and skills can mean the difference between life and death. The advantages of being a critical care nurse are as follows. First, they develop valuable skills that allow them to handle emergencies with confidence. Their experiences make them highly skilled in patient care. Second, ICU nurses enjoy job security and a good salary. Because there is always a high demand for critical care nurses, they have many job opportunities and competitive pay. Third, they work closely with doctors and other healthcare professionals. Teamwork is an essential part of ICU nursing, and nurses often collaborate with specialists to provide the best care for their patients. Fourth, their job is incredibly meaningful. Knowing that they save lives and help families during difficult times gives them a deep sense of purpose. Finally, critical care nurses have great opportunities for career growth. Their experience in the ICU can help become nurse practitioners, nurse anesthetists, or even nursing supervisors. However, there are also disadvantages of being a critical care nurse. Despite the rewards, critical care nursing is not easy. First, it is a very stressful job. ICU nurses handle high-pressure situations, make life-saving decisions, and sometimes deal with the emotional pain of losing a patient. Second, the job is physically demanding. ICU nurses work long hours, often standing for most of their shift and lifting or repositioning patients who cannot move on their own. Third, they are exposed to many risks. Because they work with critically ill patients, ICU nurses are at a high risk of infections, workplace accidents, and even aggressive behavior from patients or family members under stress. Lastly, their work schedule can be challenging. Many ICU nurses work night shifts, weekends, and holidays, which can make it hard to balance their personal and family life. In conclusion, critical care nurses play an important role in saving lives. and providing comfort to those who need it most. Their job is demanding, both physically and emotionally, but it is also one of the most rewarding careers in healthcare. They work with advanced medical equipment, support families in difficult times, and make a real difference in people's lives. With great power comes great responsibility. ICU nurses live by these words every day. They are the silent heroes in hospitals, fighting to keep patients alive and giving them the best possible care. Although their job comes with many challenges, the impact they make is truly priceless. That's my informative speech. Audience, can you look again at the camera? Thank you very much for having me here.